One of the things that happens to all of us is that we get into cooking ruts. So I'm coming at you today with a colorful cabbage salad recipe. You're watching straight from the doctor's desk with me, Dr. Andrea Purcell. I'm a naturopathic medical doctor with more than 2 decades of experience specializing in health and hormone balancing. Diet and lifestyle play a huge role in our health, which is why what we eat is so important. And sometimes cabbage just gets overlooked by vegetables that have better marketing. Kale, Brussels sprouts, broccoli. However, cabbage is extremely nutritious and cleansing to the body. So let's look at some of the health benefits. Red cabbage is in the cruciferous vegetable family, so it's rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, B vitamins, and then minerals like iodine, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and iron. The purple color makes it high anthocyanin polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that contain potent anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties. So red cabbage is also beneficial for the digestive tract. It's known to reduce bad bacteria and improve good bacteria. So just add cabbage to your grocery list and let's get healthy together. You've probably guessed that I've got a yummy cabbage salad recipe for you today. And the salad is crunchy and delicious when eaten right away. If you let it marinate, the vegetables will just really soften and soak into the dressing, allowing for a richer taste. And you can check out the recipe below.